Good morning and welcome to the update from Mumbai on 1st of April 2020. This morning, Wednesday, we saw 18 new cases in Maharashtra, taking the total to 320. 16 of those 18 cases are from Mumbai, 2 are from Pune. These cases are now combining both government and private labs testing. So, according to Rajesh Tope, who's the state health minister, he said there is nothing to panic because the accumulated numbers over the last 4 to 5 days are now being combined into the state's tally. Yesterday, on Tuesday, Mumbai saw a spike of 59 cases. This was the highest one-day spike since the reporting began. And this was high because the private labs testing is now being integrated into the government labs testing. So those numbers were accumulated over 4 days. So the state health minister and even the chief minister Uddhav Thackeray said that there's nothing to panic as of now because the numbers are rising, but they're rising only steadily. Meanwhile, the government has implemented strict orders across 146 areas in the city of Mumbai where some positive cases were identified. These will be put under strict lockdown because people will not be allowed to enter or exit from that area. The essentials will be delivered from a specific point so that people are not inconvenienced. Yesterday, Varli Kolewada was one of the main areas to be cordoned off. We saw reporters went there and saw how people were buying essentials. The essentials were being delivered to them, but from a specified location at the entrance of the area. And this was cordoned off by the police, by the BMC officials, and by the state revenue department. This has been implemented so that the community transmission can be contained. So far, according to the BMC and also according to the ICMR, which is the Indian Council for Medical Research, community transmission has not spread in the city nor in the country, and which is why local transmission containment is extremely important. Here is why the transmission needs to be contained, and that is why 146 areas across the city have been cordoned off, including some areas in Malabar Hill, some areas in the suburbs such as Bimbisar Nagar in Goregaon, Varli Kolewada in South Mumbai, Adarsh Nagar, which is the nearby area to Varli Kolewada. Hopefully this will contain the spread. The government is likely to announce more measures today to stop people from venturing out. Yesterday our reporters saw how people were venturing out from their homes and creating traffic jams across several areas of the city. And this created a huge problem for the police, who had to implement Section 144 and Section 188 of the IPC and the CRPC to make people stop from venturing out from their homes. Some of the people, such as migrant laborers, were taken to relief camps so that they can be fed and they could be sheltered until the lockdown is over.